Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Korean Culture. I am Fahimul Alam Malik from International Business KSE, and here you can see my student ID 5675180. So today I am going to talk about traditional Korean culture like the geography, food, traditional dance, traditional house, dresses, painting, etc. First of all, I would like to talk about geography of South Korea. Here you can see the map of Korea. Basically, this portion is South Korea and this portion is North Korea. Anyway, South Korea is located in East Asia on the southern half of the Korean peninsula, jutting out from the far east of the Asia landmass. The Republic of Korea is composed of 9 provinces, with Seoul as the capital city. The landscape of the country is spectacular in its variations, and about 70% of it is mountains, with more than 3,000 islands dotting the coastlines. Also, there are several major rivers in the south, one of which is the Han River, which cuts through Seoul. Korean food. Korean's food is an important part of Korean people's culture in many ways. First of all, environment is one of the main influential factors of Korean food. There are many kinds of Korean food, but I just shared three. The first one is kimchi, second one is bulgogi, and third one is bibimbap. So kimchi, one of the oldest and probably the most essential dishes in Korean cuisine. Kimchi is a spicy and sour dish made up of fermented vegetables. It is prepared with various kind of ingredients, but the most common main ingredient is cabbage. Kimchi is popular among foreigners for its unique flavor, as well as its high nutritional value, fiber content, and low calorie content. However, for Koreans, it is most popular due to its significant cultural value. Without kimchi, dinner is considered incomplete. The second one is bulgogi. Literally, bulgogi means fire meat. It is often made with tender parts of beef, pork, or chicken. However, in general terms, unless specified, bulgogi is made with beef. It is one of the most well-known Korean traditional food, and it has been around for thousands of years. And finally, the third one is bibimbap. So bibim means mixed and bap means cooked rice. So literally, bibimbap means mixed rice. Bibimbap is essentially a bowl of mixed ingredients, including but not limited to rice, namul, mushrooms, beef, soy sauce, and a fried egg. The ingredients found in bibimbap vary by region. Traditional house. It is also an important part of Korean culture. A hanok is a traditional Korean house. Hanok were first designed in the 14th century during the Joseon dynasty. Who was the king? Korean architecture considers the positioning of the house in relation to its surrounding, with thoughts given to the land and seasons. The interior of the house is also planned accordingly. Traditional dresses. Traditional Korean clothing has its roots extending back at least as far as the Three Kingdom period from 57 BC to 668 AD, as evidenced by wall paintings in tombs dating from this period. The Korean Hanbok represents one of the most visible aspects of Korean culture. The top part, called as jeogori, is a blouse like with long sleeves, with the men's version being longer, stretching down to the waist. Women wear skirts, which called chima, while men wear baggy pants, which is very comfortable to sit or walk or anything. Anyway, commoners wore white, especially during festival and special occasion such as wedding. On the other hand, clothes for the upper classes were made of bright colors and indicated the wearer's special status. Various accessories such as jewelry, headdresses, hairpin, etc. Paintings. Korean paintings also has an important influences on Korean culture. Korean paintings includes paintings made in Korea or by overseas Koreans on all surfaces. It includes art as old as the petroglyphs through postmodern conceptual art using consistent forms of light. Minhwa refers to known folk art produced mostly by itinerant or unknown artists without formal training, emulating contemporary trends in fine art for the purpose of everyday use or decoration. The term "minha" was coined by Youngi Musashi. Minha literally means painting of the people or popular paintings. So thank you. I am going to finish my presentation.